Dangote Petroleum Refinery and Petrochemicals Free Zone Establishment has approached the Federal High Court in Abuja to amend its suit against the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited and others to read the actual name of the entity. Recall that the Dangote Refinery, in an originating summons dated September 6, 2024, had issued the Nigerian Midstream and Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Authority, Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation Limited, AYM Shafa Limited, AA Rano Limited, Tea-Time Petroleum Limited, 2015 Petroleum Limited, and Matrix Petroleum Services Limited as first to seventh defendants respectively. Dangote Petroleum Refinery, through its lawyer, Ogwu Onoja San, asked the court to nullify the import licenses issued by the NMDPRA to the NNPCL and other defendants in the suit for the purpose of importing refined petroleum products. The petroleum refinery also urged the court to declare the NMDPRA was in violation of Section 317, subsection 8 and 9 of the Petroleum Industry Act, PIA, by issuing licenses for the importation of petroleum products. It stated that such licenses should only be issued in circumstances where there is a petroleum product shortfall, and sought 100 billion naira damages against NMDPRA for allegedly continuing to issue import licenses to NNPCL and the 5 companies of importing petroleum products. The NNPCL, in its preliminary objection dated and filed November 15th, urged the court to strike out the plaintiffs' Dangote Petroleum Refinery suit. NNPCL said the entity sued by the plaintiff, the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation, was not existent. NNPCL's counsel, Kehinde Ogunwumiju San, said the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, being its registered name with the Corporate Affairs Commission, is not one and the same entity as the second defendant mentioned in the plaintiff's suit. The second defendant, NNPCL, also argued that the court lacked jurisdiction over the sued non-existent second defendant, NNPC. A simple search on the CAC website shows that there is no entity called Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation. The second defendant stated, the NNPCL therefore said the second defendant, as sued by the refinery in the instant suit, it's not a competent party or a juristic person, and urged the court to strike out its name or the suit in its entirety. Meanwhile, the litigation clerk in the law firm of Onoja, Vincent Sani, said the amendment had become necessary in order for the record of the court to bear proper description of the second defendant, NNPCL, as a party in the suit. The deponent said that NNPCL was yet to be served with the said originating processes sought to be amended. The court, however, fixed January 20, 2025 for the report of settlement or service. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time update and exclusive videos.